Hello, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and also thank you for your support. joinandcoin here, bringing you daily crypto news and analysis. Let's jump to the Bitcoin chart. What we can see on the 4-hourly, Bitcoin was trying to build this bullish divergence, but at the moment it got invalidated. So yeah, we can prepare for a more drop. My targets remain the same at around 17,500 to 18,000. As there is the option expiration on Sunday, I am expecting more volatility. If this was not the bottom already, then it's very likely to see the bottom in the coming days. So in the short term, we are in this downwards channel and we don't see any kind of bullish price action. For a short-term trend reversal, we want to see the 21,500 to take out, because this would mean that we make a higher high in the short term and maybe got a trend reversal. On the higher time frame, Bitcoin is holding the 0.236 very well at the moment. It came to the 0.702 in March, and yeah, so fell down right to the support at around $20,000. Well, crazy time at the moment in the market. While Ethereum, with its 11th consecutive red week candle in a row, the fear and greed index is at a level of 6. So it's the second level in the history of Bitcoin. Nevertheless, the 17,500 to 18,000 are my target because of the option expiration on Sunday. I'm expecting maybe a bit more volatility in the beginning of next week, but I definitely think that we will see a shift in the trend very soon. Let's jump to the DXY. Clear bearish divergence on the weekly. I was telling the whole week in my videos that I'm expecting here a bearish divergence, and not only on the weekly, guys, we can also see it on the daily. As long as the DXY is not breaking out of the channel with a confirmation, I'm leaning on the side that we will see the bottom very, very soon. But if the DXY can break out of this channel, then this is your not go to the beach signal, this is your go to the street signal, most preferably with a guitar in the hand, because then I think it's game over. But I don't see it. What I see in the market is this bearish divergence of the DXY at the top of this channel. And most interestingly, the last time the DXY made a bearish divergence at the top of this channel, that's very interesting, was in December of 16. And clearly on the RSI, there was this bearish divergence. And I think that's most interesting because you see what happened after that. And it's exactly the level. I go back to the weekly. So exactly at the top of this channel, the DXY was rejected with a bearish divergence. Let's jump to the Bitcoin dominance. We can see very interesting things here. So the dominance had this rising resistance, which was broken to the upside, but obviously it was a fake out and it straight came back to the 44% level, means that the altcoins performing better in the short term. And this is very interesting because normally we see this during alt season. So the dominance broke out of this channel and pumped to the 48 level. And now it came back to the 45 level and it's looking for a retest. We don't know at the moment. And yeah, we have to watch if this is just a retest or if the dominance will fall back again in this channel. This would be obviously good for the altcoins in the short term. While on the BLX, I found a very interesting pattern that I wanted to show you because the RSI, look at this, guys, in 2014 to 2015, where there was the top of the bull market, the RSI was at the level of 96. And it's the same like it was when we had our last bull run and came back to the 43 level, exactly like this time. So when the RSI was at this oversold level, you can see this was the bottom of the bear cycle. Right? I think this pattern looks quite similar. More than that, the RSI is on the lowest level in history of Bitcoin. While we are here on this most oversold ever in history, the MFI or the money flow index is making a higher low. By the way, if you don't know what the money flow index is, this is an indicator like the RSI, but the MFI measures both volume and price, while the RSI just measure the price, right? So the last time when the RSI was that oversold and the MFI made a bullish divergence, means making a higher low while the price was making a lower low. And this was exactly during the COVID crash, and it marked the bottom. After that, we started our recent bull market. More than that, there is a support line which the BLX tested here in 15 during the COVID crash. And we are now here exactly on this support line. And also during the COVID crash, we tested it with the RSI on the oversold, and it marked the bottom. So guys, all of this during the DXY is on the major resistance and building a bearish divergence. Also, we can see some bullish divergences in the stock market. Maybe I'm gonna do a video of this next week. In the very short term, watch out the options expiration on Sunday. But I think that the bottom is most likely in or will be in the next coming days. All right, this is it for me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please help me to grow my channel. Give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. I wish you a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.